Hello guys, I hope you like my channel. In this channel I will try to enhance your experience with unique and exceptional techniques that no one has presented or practiced ever before. So first I am going to show you, this is a screw ratchet and you can see the lock is missing from here. Because of that this thing is mingling, and when I am trying to screw or unscrew anything, it is not like on the right line. So what I am going to do, I find a new idea that I am going to remove this cap from the valve, and then I will poke a hole. I will drill a hole inside here, right size of this one, and then I will try to fix it, and let's see how perfectly and efficiently it is working. Okay, so let's start our project. Now you can see that I removed that wall, that cover from there. So now I'm going to poke the hole inside this. So it was very hard to grab this, to hold this with the nose plus, so I am using the screw ratchet. So I think now I can hold it properly. Yeah. Now you can see I made a hole. Now I need filing because still the hole is small, and to be right size of this radius I need to do some filing on this. Okay, you can see that to make a strong grip I'm keeping on the wood, and it is much better than just holding on your bare hands. I can use the drill bit also, but you know, with the drill bit you will not get precise size. So with filing only it is possible that you can get a precise size whatever your desire is. As you can see now, it is already go through in this hole, but another obstacle is on the way, and that is this oversized ring. I have to trim it also to fix inside this, and let's see how this will work again. So now you can see I'm using another filer, and let me tell you one thing, that you know, for these things you need proper garage and tools, but this one definitely when we are doing something at home, the home is, you never compare with the garage. So whatever the tools or whatever the facility you have availing, you have to utilize the tools and your efforts with whatever limited tools you have. So I know there are other certain things to do the filing with another tools also, but whatever is available I am utilizing that opportunities. So during the works, definitely your brain do some I make some ideas, and you have to think about that. So before it was like I was holding this with my fingers, but now then it came in my mind that let me try like this. So I'm doing like this, and then I am filing, so it's much easier to do now, so to hold that thing. Okay, so now what I am going to do, I am wrapping the tape around the drill bit, so in this way I can fix that thing on this thing, on the drill bit, and it will be much easier for me to trim it properly. Now you can see that I improvise this idea, so this is much better to trim it properly. And even it's less hard working also. So let's see. Okay guys, now you can see that after filing and improvising the technique how to trim this thing, so I trimmed it according to the size of this screw ratchet. So yeah, now you can see it is going through all the way there, and even I trimmed it very carefully, precisely, so you can see the thread of the screw ratchet can automatically tight this cap. So you can see this one is going all the way there. So since you can see that it is fitting properly, so now the final part is just to make it a little bit shiny, and it is ready to go. So when I will trim it with the filing, so you will see it will get shiny. As you can see, now it's shiny and it's almost like, it looks like brand new. So here you go, our project is complete. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.